Blessed love, good morning to my YouTube family and to all my friends around the world. And this is OSTV underscore T7J coming at you again. On a little project this morning, doing a little kitchen, some work, repair on the kitchen, doing some improvement on the kitchen. So I want to show you guys what I'm doing. So I want you guys to stick and stay with me and take a look at what I'm doing. All right. Loyalty. It's the workplace that I think the only one where there was no on the job. In other words, every single member of the Jesus team related to every single member. He did also and that was awesome. Every video host. I'll screw it down tight. Put one of screw in there. Cut in there like a piece there. And put the knee. Maybe this can fit around there. Back side. Is that what to fit? A little bit short. We have enough, so we can just cut it 30 inches. I have one more piece that I have to cut and put in. So I'm going to cut it now and put that piece in, guys. And after that, the Wonder Board, finish with it. 25 by 24. 24. 25. It is a cement board, guys. We have used cement board because the tile them we have put on are some ceramic tile. So we have cement board the place first, and then we start lay out the tile them, you know. So just go and stick with me. I'm gonna show now what I go on. Let me deal with. Alright, guys. This is the last piece I put in. Right? I'll show you guys what the floor look like once we finish on the board it off. So just stick and stay with me, alright? See the floor now, guys? This is the one on the board. I'm gonna put on the floor. See? Right? That's the one on the board. Finish one on the board it down now. So I screw it down and get it ready to prepare it up for tile it. So this is the one on the board. This is one piece that we have leave. That's an extra. Like an extra we left, right? So we're gonna tile it out. And then I'll show you how it look like when we done tile it out. See it there? That's the one on the board. Yeah. So just stick with me. I'm gonna show you how I go on, alright? Clean here. Clean it up now. And then after that tile, we're gonna get ready for tile. Tile the floor. Clean up good, you know. floor nice and clean now, guys. Me go lay it out now. It's a tile it, you know. Alright, guys. See the floor clean now. We're ready for tile it. Nice and clean. I show you guys the tile I'm gonna use. So just stick with me. Alright. See the tile them tile I'm gonna use. These are the tile that I'm gonna use on the floor. These are 24 by 12. Alright. So them I'm gonna use here. Lay out the floor. Which we soon start lay it out and then we see what I want with it. Let me see how I lay it out. And I'm gonna show you guys, maybe not in this video, but in the other video. I'm sure now. How the layout go. Stick and stay with me, guys. Alright. The floor ready now. Good time. Set up already the tile. Yeah. This a father Rennie, you know. Me and him work together. Uncle Rennie this. No, work time. Yes. Bridging them from a long time, you know. Yeah, guys, so thank you guys for watching this short video. I'm gonna show you guys when we're tiling and stuff, alright? So thanks again for watching, and I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel, like, share of the videos, alright? And give the videos a thumbs up, alright? I thank you guys so much.